goal is to provide the best diagnostic and treatment care to our patients. We see patients primarily with neck or low back pain, or patients with joint pain. Throughout years, I developed techniques and I developed the knowledge how to treat and diagnose spinal pain and pain in the joints. However, I felt always limited that although I can diagnose it and I can treat it in a certain fashion, but really cannot restore it. What distinguishes us is a cell-assisted treatment. We use your own cells to repair your spine. We're doing it with the minimally invasive procedures and help patients repair their body. We provide a courtesy second opinion to our patients, and we do a free MRI review.